Hello everybody, this is Sweet Fit Lover for January 2020 Nadine West video unboxing. Yay! We haven't done one of these in a long time, since probably June of this last year in 2019. So I did take it out of the container here because I wanted to save us some time and get right into it. It looks like a pretty good bundle. I have not seen anything in it just yet. So let's get started, shall we? All right, let's see here. Okay, so number one, we have a pair of black leggings that happen to be fleece. That's awesome because I've been wanting, I didn't even say anything about warmer pants, but I think they knew by my address that it was cold here. So these are from Aurora, and these are, let's see, these $27.19. Goodness. Okay, so these are $27.19. We then have another pair of leggings. These are from Leggings Depot, and these are in size 1, one size fits all. And these look really comfortable. I have something very similar to these, but we'll try them on and see how I like them. But these are very similar to another pair that I have, so we will try those out. Those are the blue-black Denali legging bottoms, $24.49. All right, and the way that this works, I should tell you that, is that you do pay $9.78 for shipping, but then you get to use that towards your bundle as a credit for anything that you would like. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we next up have the, what is this? Oh, we got jewelry dropping on. Ooh, this is the lace short sleeve V-neck top. I'm loving this already. Oh my god. This is awesome. It's very soft. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are wonderful. This is really cute. I hope it's not too big, but this is very, very nice. And this is a size large. Oh my gosh, I like this. Okay. And we have a Denali navy and red shirt top, $26.99. Oh my god, I kind of like this. That's different. That's cool. We're gonna try that on. Very nice. All right, we're gonna see how we like these. And we have two things of jewelry. And the jewelry, first thing we have is the ebony Dakota necklace for $20.99. And this is really, there's a little bit of a knot in it. However, this is what the necklace looks like. If I can get it to focus. There we are. It's all right. All right. And next up we have the green with envy gold for $24.99 necklace. Huh. That's actually really pretty. I like that. Okay. That's nice. I'm digging that. It's a longer necklace, which I like. Okay. So if I was to keep everything in this bundle, it comes to $154.19 minus my styling shipping, which is the $9.78, is going to be $144.41 if I kept absolutely everything. What I need you to do is tell me if you like the navy and red shirt, if you liked the V-neck charcoal gray top on me, if you like the blue-black leggings, if you liked the Dakota ebony black and silver necklace, or the gold and green necklace. Please let me know in the poll to my right, or if you want to add a comment down below, that's fine too. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and subscribe because you don't want to miss this, because we're going to be doing much more in the coming months and this week. And even tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a weight loss update and progress video of what I'm doing and what's working, what's not, and what's been going on, because there's a lot to cover because life is interesting. Please let me know how you're doing below, and I will try to comment as best as I can. And I thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye, guys.